Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Crochet Patrons. I hope you all are doing well, enjoying the life. So guys, I have this amazing and colorful and really bright video for you. These are the lights made with the crochet. These decoration lights, you can just decorate your home, your tables, your rooms with these amazing lights which are made with the crochet. You can attach the lights with these decorations. They are looking really amazing and it can bright your room, your any decoration. If you're doing outdoor dinner at your home, you can just place these amazing lights there, so it will just enhance the environment of your dinner table. As you can see, all the designs are really amazing with beautiful patterns of crochet. You can make anything with crochet art. So these amazing lights are really new idea and amazing idea to make and just decorate your home, your any function, or you're just doing a small birthday party. You can just arrange these amazing lights, making these amazing light by yourself. So you can just decorate all the functions and design your own decoration by yourself. These kind of little lights for the tables and the side tables are really amazing. Looks really tempting at nights. All the designs are really amazing. You can see, you can just make anything. Nothing is impossible. You can make anything with the crochet and it looks really stylish and amazing. You don't need to buy any expensive lights or lamps from the market. You can make it by yourself. These are really amazing decoration pieces and you can just place it on the side tables of your beds, or just place it in the living room. Decorate your house with these amazing ideas. You will definitely love all these ideas which are included in this video. And guys, if you're liking and enjoying this video, just please share this video with your friends so that they can also enjoy these amazing artistic decorations and they can make it by themselves to just enhance the beauty of their house. And if you're liking the designs which I share with you on my channel, please subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and like the videos, so that whenever I post any video, you just get the notification and you can find and watch the videos and enjoy all the videos. You will definitely love all the design which I shared on my channel. Go to my channel, you will find so many designs, so many ideas of crochet, and you will definitely love all the designs. As you know guys, I bring these information and collections to give you an idea about the things and fashion which are now in about the crochet, so that you can just know what's is latest. I hope you're liking all the designs and collection which I share with you. If you're liking them, please let me know in the comment. Let me know what else you want to watch so that I can make more video according to your likings. According to your desire, I will make the things on my channel. And guys, if you're liking these amazing videos, share this video with your friends also, and let me know what else you want to watch. You can see all the designs, all the light are looking really amazing, really eye-catching, and it will enhance the and mood, enhance the mood of yourself when you are in party or you're just doing dinner with your loved ones. So these kind of lights really make amazing environment. I hope you will definitely love these designs and make these amazing ideas while making your crochet project. So here you can see, you can make anything from crochet and you will definitely love all the designs. If you want to watch more amazing videos, just stick to my channel. Thank you so much.